Hello and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. In every kitchen, there are ingredients that simply exist. And then there are ingredients that shape the mood, the flavor, and the story of a dish. Butter is one of those ingredients. Today, we're stepping into its world, four distinct styles, each with its own character, history, and purpose. Unsalted butter is the foundation, the unspoken baseline of countless recipes. It carries nothing but the taste of cream itself, letting every other ingredient speak with clarity. In baking, precision is everything. Unsalted butter offers that control. Fun fact, because it contains no salt to prolong freshness, unsalted butter is often the freshest butter on the shelf. Salted butter brings flavor the moment it touches the tongue. A small amount of salt transforms the cream, adding depth and extending its shelf life. It's the butter many people grow up with, the one kept on the counter, ready for simple, familiar moments. Fun fact, historically, salted butter was a form of preservation long before refrigeration existed, making it essential for households around the world. European style butter carries a rich hue and a deeper aroma. With its higher butterfat content up to 86%, it offers a creaminess and luxurious texture that elevates pastries, sauces, and even simple spreads, often cultured. It develops a gentle tang echoing centuries of traditional butter making. Fun fact, its higher fat content reflects old world churning methods, still protected and practiced by many European producers. Clarified butter is butter transformed. Its water gently evaporated, its milk solids removed, leaving behind pure, clean butterfat. This clarity gives it remarkable stability under heat. It becomes ideal for searing, sauteing, and high temperature cooking where regular butter would quickly burn. Fun fact, because clarified butter contains no milk solids, it achieves a much higher smoke point, which is why it's a staple in professional kitchens. Clarified butter and ghee begin the same way, but their journeys diverge. Clarified butter is complete once its milk solids are strained away. Ghee continues further as it cooks those milk solids gently brown, unblocking a deeper color and a warm, toasted aroma. This slow, careful process gives ghee its unmistakable flavor, layered, earthy, and resonant. Fun fact, ghee has been crafted for thousands of years across South Asia, valued for its stability in warm climates and its role in both cooking and cultural traditions. Each butter brings something unique: purity, ease, richness, or precision. Understanding their differences allows you to choose with intention and brings greater depth to every dish you create. In the end, butter is more than an ingredient. It is the beginning of aroma, texture, and warmth. It's where flavor begins. Thank you, and have fun cooking.